Hi friends, welcome to my channel Jolly Toys, and here I have a lot of animals but they don't have any homes, so let's make a home for them. So friends, here is my little brother who is helping me to make the farm animal house. So here I have some water. I'm going to pour it inside this. Now we have to fill the bowl with the water. Let's fill the bowl. Ta-da! The bowl is filled. Now let's put some sand. Now let's spread the sand on this place. Now it's time for the fencing. I've put the fencing here now. Now let's put some pink sand. It's called carnatic sand. Now I have spread the carnatic sand. Now let's put this small green piece of land here. Now I'm going to put these stones here. I've put these big stones. Now let's put this packet of grass here. Let's protect this farmhouse by putting a fencing here. Decorate this with flowers. Now let's put some fencing here. 1 fence, 2 fence, 3 fence, 4 fence. Wow, it's so beautiful. Friends, now the place is made. Doesn't it look so beautiful? Now it's time to put the animals inside it. Now friends, it's time to put the farm animals. Here I have a duck. Wow, the duck looks nice in the blue water. Here I put the rooster. Now I'm going to put this cow here. Now I'm putting one more cow. Now I'm putting a baby calf. Here I'm gonna put the horse. Here I'm making the partition with the stones. Here I'm going to put the dog, and here I'm going to put the donkey. let's put some chicks here. And now I'm putting a shell right here. Now, friends, it's time to put the water animals. Friends, here I have a stingray. Here I have a crab. Friends, here I have a fish. Here I have a starfish. Here I have a turtle. I'm putting it right here on the stone. I have a lobster. Friends, there is also a special message for you from my brother.
Boy, baby, Dubai. Dive there with the family.
Friends, for more entertaining videos, watch and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.